Welcome back to Trend Tech. Today we're getting our hands on the all-new Redmi Turbo 5. No scripts, no fluff, just my raw first impressions of this beast. First, let's look at the unboxing. We have a SIM ejector tool, the warranty card, and a manual. Over here is a protective case made of silicone material. Right under that is the phone itself. It feels impressively light and slim in the hand. Let's set that aside for a moment. At the bottom, we have a 100-watt charger and a USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable. And that's it, everything you get in the box. First thing you notice, the build. Redmi actually went with a metal middle frame and a glass back here. In a world of plastic phones, this feels surprisingly premium in the hand. It's got these smooth, large curved corners that make the grip feel incredibly natural. Honestly, for the price, this design is a massive win. Now, let's talk display. We're looking at a 6.59-inch 1.5K panel. It's that sweet spot size, big enough for movies, but still manageable. One quick heads up. It uses an optical under-display fingerprint sensor. 10 material is no joke. It hits a peak brightness of 3,500 nits, which is basically sunlight proof. But it's not just about power. With 3,840 Hz PWM dimming, it's super easy on the eyes during those late-night scrolling sessions. Plus, at just 8.18 millimeters thin, it's sleek enough to slide into any pocket. Under the hood, we've got the Dimensity 8500 Ultra. Paired with LPDDR, 5X Ultra RAM, this thing is a performance monster. We're talking an Antutu score of over 2.6 million. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a heavy multitasker, the 5,300 square millimeters cooling system ensures you won't be dealing with thermal throttling. Battery life? Massive. We're looking at a 7,560 milliamp hour Jinshajiang battery with 100 watts fast charging. It even supports 27 watts reverse charging, which is a lifesaver. On the camera side, you get a solid 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 main sensor with OIS. It's a reliable setup that gets the job done for your socials without trying too hard. Redmi didn't stop there. IP69K waterproofing, NFC, dual GPS. They've basically checked every box. This isn't just a budget phone, it's a performance flagship in disguise. So, is the Turbo 5 the new mid-range king? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and hit that subscribe button to join the Trend Tech family. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.